Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better.
Hey guys, welcome to our birthday vlog.
Okay guys, first things first, we have to get our snacks for our birthday party. We're at Costco because they have good snacks. And we got a big Charlie. We're going fruit and veg.
Fruit and veg.
Okay, so our birthday party is tomorrow, but our actual birthday is on Tuesday. This is our birthday party.
Look at the snacks.
Mini cinnamon rolls.
Chocolate cookies, 6 watermelon mango and 6 blueberry lemon cheesecake.
So Scott, what snacks are we aiming to get? What snacks? Getting Doritos.
This is a massive packet.
We're looking for the popcorn seeds now. We're going through every aisle because we don't know where the popcorn seeds are. Okay, we have this big black wine cup, so we're going to put lollies in there. So we're just going to find some lollies.
No, I don't like those things.
Why?
Fizzy ones instead.
Fizzy, meaning...
Fizzy.
I don't really like these things.
No, but why? Why did you get it then?
Let me pass it to me.
Look at this big aisle of lollies to choose from.
M&M's.
Look at that.
That's diabetes. So we have all the stuff now. We've finished our shopping for the snacks. Tomorrow we're going to be setting up and putting everything together. So I'll see you guys then.
Guys, I've been driving.
And I'm up to 70 hours. How much are you up to, Scarlett?
I am up to 60 something.
And
But yet she gets to drive because...
because I'm going to get my keys first. I can drive you around.
Yes, but then how will I get my hours up? It doesn't make sense. But anyways, bye. We have the popcorn machine.
Popcorn stand. And then over here we have some cinnamon rolls and chippies. And the ground.
We have the fairy lights set up. We need to test it out.
Oh, yeah.
And we have our Uggs on too. Wow.
The projector. The movie on the board. The vlog is here and it's here to stay. But we have these pillows, the cute, soft, and we're gonna go to sleep. Yeah. And we have a pink one as well. They're from Kmart. Oh yeah, you go first. So first, I'm so ready to do it. You get first now. She's back at one. I'm going first. Okay, so my top is from Era. My pants are from Princess Polly. And my Uggs are from my mother. This is from Kmart. This is from, I think, Supreme. These jeans are from JJ's. And the Uggs are from my Nana. So first I have this from Supreme. Yep. I have this from Arrow, parachute pants. I have this from my mommy. That's the fit. Oh yeah. My turn. Which way should I do? Okay, bye guys. Bye. Cheers. We took Polaroid pictures.
She's just gonna eat all the food. Stay back. Stay back. Hold back. Oh my god, bye. What's the time? I don't know.
There's Chico. He wants to run to the food.
There's the twins. Wearing their peanut pants.
Smiley face tower. Bye, Chico.
That's what the lights look like. We're playing cats and hearts, but noughts and crosses.
She didn't even prepare me. All she did, she went. Every single little movement that triggered that, there was nothing in there. She went. The party hasn't started yet. So. Hey.
Songs about me. Never on time.
No, songs about me.
Tell them about your car.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Guess what? The other day, I got a car. It's pretty snazzy.
You have to press play.
It's already on. I'm passing the phone to someone who is a furry and loves cats. God, I'm scared. I'm passing the phone to someone who has immaculate feet. Like, I really love her feet so much.
Let's pass the phone to someone who has I can't think. Someone who walked here 5 minutes and gave me the code to their gate, so now I can go sort them.
I'm passing the phone to someone who smells like poo. Swear to God. I'm passing the phone to someone who has short-term memory loss, and every time I tell her something, I have to tell her it 18,000 times.
It was so hard for me to think of something.
It's 7 p.m. and we're ready to watch a movie.
They don't know what we're watching yet.
They're clueless.
But it was a surprise.
Do a little vloggy vlog.
They're setting up the movie.
So large, so powerful, grown with our own eyes.
My favorite is Bumblebee.
Same. My favorite is Optimus Prime.
Warrior.
Under the heat, I'm halfway. I've been hung up on yesterdays. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyways. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion.
What's your favorite color M&M? Mine's chocolate. I like the blue. I like this one. Hello?
I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for a moment tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky.
And then I'm watching the rest of Transformers. See you on our actual birthday.
It is the night before our birthday. Thus,
Taking you to bed, bubble. The night before our birthday, last night being 16. See you guys in the morning. Woo! Guys, it's our birthday! We're making some croissant and bacon eggs, and we have some bolognese. 7:30. We need to get going. I'm straightening my hair now, and I've done almost half of my hair, but I need it straightened for tonight, so I'm just doing that now. The bacon is cooking in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna be straightening my hair, and then I'm gonna be straightening Scarlett's hair. My hair feels so much lighter when it's straightened. This is gonna take years. Okay, our hair's done. Now we're gonna have breakfast, and I heard it's burnt. Guys, we just opened our presents, and he had a box inside a box. He had this bag in there. Bettina. And then we got this. Our Kit Kat in there that we got. And then we got that. And then we got these chargers, these cables. And then we got these chocolate. I've never tried the chili one before. And then we got in Starlight to share. Wow. And it's like thin and really nice. Okay, bye. Oh yeah. Mom just gave us our birthday present. Wow. Got the camera and the tripod. So we're gonna be taking this to dinner to test it out, and you'll see the difference. Where we're going to dinner, Scarlett? Steakhouse. Scarlett's doing her makeup for dinner. I'm wearing this top from Beginning Boutique, this from City Beach,
Pants from Beginning Boutique. Get there a little bit early so we can eat because we're starving. It is 7 o'clock. We need to go now. Beauty blender? Go now. This is better. This is better. I need to find some shoes to wear. Oh, I don't know if I like this outfit. It's like grey. I'm going to be eating steak and chips. I know that for a fact. We have districts on Thursday and Friday. I'm eating this. I don't care. I'm starving. Can I bite? You said you didn't like document. I didn't tell myself. I'm going with the jeans. And these shoes, these heel shoes. Wear this denim jacket. Because it is winter. Denim on denim, how do I feel? I like it. In the car. We get 3 entrees, but we have like a starter, a main meal, and then dessert. But we brought dessert from the cheesecake shop, and it's like a Ferrero cake, so I'm so excited to eat 2 desserts. Almost there.
Hey Scarlett.
We got some sourdough with
This goes to take a photo practice.
We got pink lemonade. We got some beef carpaccio, some calamari. I fillet steak, beef brisket.
It's good.
Alright, now I'm ready. We're going to have
lemon cheese cake and a chocolate fondant cake.
What are you having?
I'm having lemon cheese. I don't believe it's on the menu.
What are you having? Lemon cheesecake. What are you having?
Lots.
Chocolate. Lemon. But we're sharing. Lemon cheesecake. Hooray! Hooray! We're going to go open some presents that Nana got us. Thanks, Nana. Scarlett. I'm driving, guys. She's gonna be recording me. I have to take my shoes off. Every time. Soon I'll be driving this by myself. Opening some presents from our grandma and grandpa and seeing what we got. We both got a big pack of Ferreros. This feels like a Ferrero box, but it's an iPhone. Perfume. Oh, Rihanna. Riri. Oh my god, I've never tried a perfume before. Let's open it up. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's so pretty. We have airshow on Saturday.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm not just another one of the nice guys. Open up your clouds to blue skies. It feels right. Brown eyes.
I can't find the ticket scars.
That's for these ones.
Okay, we're set up. We have an umbrella and a double with auntie. We're setting up this swinging chair. 4 minutes until it starts. I want to go for a swim. It looks really nice.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close?
It's starting in how long? Is it meant to start now?
Yeah.
Okay. It's such a sunny day. I'm so excited. We've got this GoPro. It's a 360.
If I recall, was a feeling of being alone.
Because that's our intention today, to have fun.
Yeah. Have fun.
Enjoy the show. So for right.
This is the first air show in Australia because it's only in the US. People are actually swimming, so there's so many people here. Like the whole beach is packed. Everyone's looking at something. I cannot see it. I don't know what it is. Where? Right there. It was a seal.
What's a seal doing here? It's Escape from SeaWorld.
gym.
Do you know what plane it is?
C-17, Stallion.
Tomato people in my dreams. The last time if I recall.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
There's a big food market.
We got our food. We got the beef one and some chicken. I got chicken and aioli.
Planes.
Rollins as well.
No,